Hello guys, and welcome to another video tutorial. In this video tutorial I'll be showing you how you can remove background from pictures. Just in case you have a picture that has backgrounds on it and you still want to use the picture, I'm going to be showing you how you can take off the background from the picture just to use that picture for other designs you want to make. My name is Awajima Misuto, and I teach you how to do stuff online. I teach you how to create content, how to grow your business online, how to earn online. So today in this video, I'm just going to be showing you how to remove background from a picture. So to remove background from a picture, what you're going to do is to go to your search. You go to remove.bg. All right, you go to remove.bg. All right. So once you type in remove.bg on the search bar, you find this page you see on your screen. So what you're going to do is to upload image. All right, you hit what? Upload image. All right, let's do that. So once you hit upload image, it's going to take you to your gallery folder where you're going to see pictures to select from. So for me now, I'm going to select one of these pictures. I'm going to be selecting the one that has to do with that has the construction courses. Okay, the picture with construction courses. So I click it, then I click on the top right, done. Right, I click done on the top right. It will upload my picture for me and also remove the background for me. Right, okay, that's fine. We now have our background removed already. So what I'm going to do right now is just to download. So if you're looking to download the picture, just a simple version of it, you can hit the download with the button with the blue download. If you want to download the HD, that's a high definition version of it, you can hit the one on the right. So for me and for this video, I'm just going to hit the one with the blue. Alright, so you can see that the picture is already downloaded. So let's quickly check our picture to see if it has removed our background. Alright, you can see our picture is already our background is already removed, and what you can see right now is a lot of white spaces on the left hand side, and you have just the picture on the right hand side. So this is just a simple way for you to remove background from pictures, just in case you love a picture and you want to work with the picture without the background. So if this video was helpful, I would love you to give it a thumbs up, like it, share it to your friends, subscribe to this channel, make a comment. Let me know what you want to learn. Let me know what you learned. Let me know what your challenge with doing stuff online is. By doing so, this helps me and gives me an idea of the next video I'm going to be creating for you. So thank you so much for watching. I look forward to creating more video content for you guys. Thank you a lot.